up, YouTube? I am here today because I've been wanting to make some cleaning videos because I am a freak and I love to clean. I find it therapeutic and calming, and I'm a little bit OCD, so it feels really nice to get things clean and orderly and tidy. And then I have this list, a cleaning schedule that I have just recently made, and I'm very excited about it. So I kind of took inspiration from the Fly Lady. If you don't know who that is, go ahead and Google her. She breaks the house up into zones. So I ended up having 6 zones that I wanted to do. So the idea behind this is you do 1 zone a week, and it's just deeper cleaning. You just spend like 30 minutes a day working on a zone, and you ideally have it done by the end of the week. So that keeps you from doing like a spring cleaning, spending an entire weekend deep cleaning the entire house. This helps you kind of break it up into bite-sized pieces. So hopefully it makes it easier. And we just got a house, so I have about 3 times the amount of square footage to clean. And I have been really bad about it. I could clean our apartment pretty easily and pretty quick. So still trying to figure out the rhythm for our house. But this cleaning schedule today, I'm doing the kitchen, number 1. So I've just got a list of things. Excuse me, you're in the way. And I'm not doing those all right now, unless I can do them all in 30 minutes, which I don't think I can. So I'm just gonna break that up over the next week, and whatever gets done, and whatever doesn't gets saved until the next time I have to do zone 1. So let's jump into it. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Thanks, girl.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet, to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at my feet. Such a difference between us and a million miles.
Oh my gosh, I just made it to the timer. Yes, 15 minutes. All right, that was awesome. That was just a quick 15-minute tidy of the kitchen, putting dishes away, clearing some paper clutter, other things. That wasn't even cleaning, that was just tidying. So now that I've got a clean space to work with, I'm gonna start on that list. So I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes and then just start tackling things. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes, please.
30 minutes, starting now.
Now from the other side, I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call you, then
show you this. I'm only halfway done, well, a little bit over halfway done with the blinds, but look at this rag. Look how dirty. Ew! So I have to tell you that these tasks that, you know, I found them online and I'm like, I don't really need to dust my blinds. It's not stupid. Nobody can see dust. This is proof that your blinds are disgusting and your light switches and your doorknobs are disgusting. And yeah, you can't really see it, but it's there. And knowing that it's clean, such a good feeling. So nasty.
تذكر آخر مرة شفتك سنتا تذكر وقتها آخر كلمة قلتها وما عدت شفتك وهلا شفتك كيفك انت ملا انت.
Holy moly, that was so much work. Blinds have always been my least favorite chores. Even when I was little, they were just the worst. Because they're so tedious and they take forever. But it feels really good to get those done. And they're beautiful and I just want to stare at them. So I only got a couple things done in 30 minutes, but that is the whole point. I'm not spending all afternoon deep cleaning my kitchen. That's just not feasible. You know, especially if you have kids, you've got other things going on. I have personal things and I just want to hang out, I want to chill. So I only got the light switches disinfected, I dusted the blinds and wiped the windowsill, and I washed the inside of the windows. And that is it. And I did some decluttering. So I still have a long list to go, but I'll probably end up bleeding into the next week because the kitchen is quite a beast to tackle, and it's a lot of surfaces to disinfect carefully because this is where a lot of germs are stored because of food and such. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check back again, and I will be doing more of these zone cleaning videos. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.